Hi, Allie. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you. I appreciate you taking the time to talk with me today. Can you tell me what's going on?
Yeah, so currently I am working with a teen who disclosed some information about engaging in some sexual behavior that's on the riskier side, but she is asking that I don't tell her parents about this. So during the session, I just, provided her the space to process and go through it, and made sure that she's safe at this time.
Okay. Well, thank you for telling me about this, and I can hear that it's something important while you're engaging with this client during their disclosure of risky behavior. And it sounds like um, that you're a little worried about the client and or them disclosing anything to their parent.
Yeah, I am a little worried just because there was like a large emphasis around her not wanting me to discuss anything with her parents. Um, so just kind of like going from there, on how to best support her through this and making sure that she knows that there is an open door for that she can keep coming back to.
Yeah, and it sounds like you have a good relationship to where she trusts you. Can I ask, did she say any reason why she didn't want her parents to be notified?
She didn't. I know before that she has just kind of mentioned that like talking about those things in the house is pretty taboo. So she really hasn't even like engaged with like letting them know she's having relationships. It sounds like they're pretty strict regarding like even just having a relationship.
Okay. And when you mentioned she said risky behaviors, can you describe what that means? Did she disclose anything further as far as like what her definition of a risky behavior is?
She mentioned that she's starting to engage in some sexual activities. Um, she was quite nervous to go into them, just not knowing like what would happen if she did. Um, but she did say that she's starting to go into having sex.
Okay. All right. And it sounds like you're worried about that and likely that she could possibly be worried about maybe getting like an STI or something.
Yeah.
Do you know if she has been connected with anybody or if she's been able to be checked out or have any other support systems outside of just talking with you?
She did say that she has some friends that are sexually active that she can trust to like go to, and that their relationships with their parents are a little more open. So she said that they have access to things such as like condoms, and she's comfortable going to them for that.
Um, okay. And can you think about like when you're working with her, if you're not if she doesn't want you to disclose anything to her parents about the risk of behavior, can you talk about any like code of ethics that you feel would apply to this case?
Confidentiality. Um, And right now, I don't have a legal obligation to break that confidentiality. She hasn't mentioned like a concern for an STI, STD. Um, so right now, I'm just supporting her and making sure that I'm abiding by that standard to not break
Right.
confidentiality.
Yeah, and even just trying to make sure that, you know, what she's engaging in, that she could possibly be connected to like some safe options. And then maybe during like your next few sessions, kind of explore that a little deeper and to um, maybe inquire further reasons if her parents need to be involved, or if she can continue to lean on friends or providers for added support.
Yeah, I think that would be great to, kind of go over some safe sex things like Planned Parenthood would be a really good resource for, or even if she's comfortable, maybe talking to her school's nurse or health worker. If there's health class offers condoms for free, maybe connecting her with something like that would be helpful.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it sounds like you have some good ideas moving forward, and I appreciate you coming to kind of discuss this a little further. And please keep me updated on anything else. I'm happy to help and support you.
Thank you. I appreciate the support and just reassurance moving forward that I have a good plan to, maintain that there's safety and confidentiality.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you so much for sharing, Allie.
Thank you.
And take care.
You as well.